Nigga, why are you trying to? He trying to have a good time. Look at him. Do you see that girl looking at him too? Oh, she thought that was swagger. What's good, y'all? It's me once again. Welcome to Heavy Rain episode 5 or maybe 6. I can't remember, bro. I think this is it. Let me check, yo. You know I'll be wrong, dude. Okay, now this is episode 5. This is episode 5. It's episode 5. Last episode. Not a whole lot happened, but some stuff happened. So Ethan, you know what I'm saying, he found a box, you know what I'm saying, and it had an address on there. He went there. He got this nice car, this Ferrari, you know what I'm saying. It said his child, Sean, he saw that he was in a well. He's gonna get drowned by rainwater. That's a sucky way to go out, honestly. But that's what we saw. And then now we're going. I don't know where we're going. We're going to a destination that we found on the computer in the car. And let's get it, y'all. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and
You have reached your destination. Are you ready to show your courage in order to save your son? Listen carefully. Take the highway and drive against the traffic for 5 miles. If you haven't reached your destination in 5 minutes, you will have failed.
what?
I can do it. I'd do anything to save my son.
Man, go for it,
If
bro.
I succeed, I'll get more letters for the hangar. It's my only need. No
All
turning
right.
back now.
We got Google talking to me on here, talking about going against traffic. I'm on there. I'm over there.
I've got to do it. For Sean's sake. I have no choice.
Why did I just hit the horn for? All right, let's see if Ethan can redeem himself, because I've been hating on Ethan, bro. Let's see if he can redeem himself. Whoa. Move.
I can do this. Come on.
Yep. Left. Right. Ooh. Fix that. Fix that. Fix that. Fix that. Fix that.
You still have 4
Perfect.
miles to go.
Hydroplaning is still on the way. Right. Space. Hit that. Yes, hit that. Weave. Left. Right.
You still have 3
Right.
miles to go before you reach your destination.
Okay, I went left. Ooh. I don't know what the key with that was. What was that, shift?
You still have 2 miles to go before you reach
Right.
your destination.
Left. Ah, shoot. Police right here.
Move out of the way. Come on.
Police right here. I'm about to get pulled.
Before you reach your destination.
I'm about to get pulled. They finna pit maneuver. Yeah, they trying to go for the pit. I'm there. Nice. I'm there. Right. Yep. Nice. Okay, Ethan. Ethan might be on them. Oh, fix that. Fix that. Fix that. Oh, I missed.
Destination reached.
Oh, get up.
Please press the screen.
Get up.
Destination reached. Please press the screen.
Come on.
Destination reached.
Hit that.
Please press the screen.
Unbuckle yourself.
Destination reached. Your reward is in the glove compartment. The key is inside the GPS. Your reward is in the glove compartment.
Oh my god.
The key is inside the GPS. Your reward is in the
I was up. I thought it was down.
The key is inside the GPS.
It's
Your
upside
reward
down,
is in
dude.
the glove compartment.
That is fire. The set the stuff is upside down. I was tripping. I was like, why it ain't working? Cringe, bro. I'm finna blow up. Oh yeah, we finna get blown up. It's raps. It's raps. It's raps. Nigga, is that down or up? I was doing down. I'm so trash. I was like, why it ain't working? Up, W. A. Up. Shake it. Up. Shake it. Shake it. Go right. All right. No, kick that up. Kick the window. All right, go left. Nice. Nice. Eating stuff. Eating stuff. Eating stuff. Eating stuff. Come on, dude. Ain't no time for that, bro. Come on. Gotta save your kid, bro. Gotta save your kid. Well, obviously it looked like it's a Roosevelt. Roosevelt something. Well, I mean, at least you found some evidence, right? That your kid is alive. That's something, right? I'll take that. I'll take that to the chin. I'll leave with that. At least you found your kid alive. Oh, Claire was there too. Only Ethan, I found you some peace, bro. I got you some peace, bro. And she on a Harley Davidson? Is that a bike? Yeah. I don't know nothing about this at this point, bro. I don't know anything, bro. I don't even know what I'm talking about. It's kinda alright, never mind. She lost me. I was finna talk good about you, girl. And you can't even walk in. Alright. Now you wanna work. I mean, that's cool.
The atmosphere here is one of concern, as there is still no news of 10-year-old Sean Mars who disappeared yesterday. A recent report indicates that the police are now treating this as a...
Well, I know that wind coming from that bathroom stink. Dang, bro, you know what that nigga look like? CK.
Hello there, sweetheart. What can I do for you?
I'd like a room.
For you? Anything.
Oh, nigga. Hell
On
no.
the register.
What are you doing with your mouth? That is not hot, sir. You ain't got no gum in there either. You just chewing on your teeth.
Madison Page 27. Single. How long will you be staying with us, Ms. Page?
I don't know yet.
Room 201. Last floor, stairs on the right, in the courtyard.
Thanks.
The pleasure was all mine.
That's for sure.
You looking at my head, bro? That is foul, dude. Yeah, what you guys say about the
That
receptionist?
obnoxious receptionist better not have a spare key to my room. The thought of it leaves me in a cold sweat.
Get one of my boy Ethan.
Room 201. Stairs on the right, last floor.
Get one to my. Get some to my boy Ethan though. He good for it. I believe. Hold on. 204. Who is that? James Bond? Yo, all these random people, dude.
There's someone there. Is he wounded? Room 201. Stairs on the right, last
Dude,
floor.
it's that Ethan crying, bro.
Maybe I should take a look.
This him right here? It's not Ethan, dude. That's Ethan.
Sir? Are you alright? I'll call an ambulance.
No ambulance.
You're badly hurt. You need a doctor.
Please, just help me to my room. It's number 207.
Now what else would you be asking for? I got a sword on my thigh, bro. I got a sword on my thigh. Freaky ass. Come on, dude.
He's really out of it.
I know your
What the
tricks.
hell happened to him?
You ain't playing nobody, Ethan. I see you, dude.
Have you got the key?
Just disgust me, bro. I don't like you, dude. I'll give it a shot, bro.
He's in trouble. I can't just walk away and leave him like that. You're really in bad shape. You should see a
Whoa.
doctor.
Must have one, maybe two broken ribs. It's not fatal. But it's sore as hell.
Madison, why are you feeling all up on him?
Your head is bleeding. It looks deep.
I'm far faster. He trying to get deep in you. All right, let me chill. 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 Chill. Oh, dude, you gonna have to take this ibuprofen.
Paraphenol anti-fever. Administer only in cases of high fever.
But I ain't it.
Paracetamol painkiller. Administer in cases of intense pain. Do
Yep.
not take more than one pill every 24 hours.
You gonna need this. They just got pain medicine in a cabinet, bro. Did he buy this?
Here. Take this. It should do you some
is
good.
it?
It's a painkiller. It'll help reduce the pain. It says on the box to take one every 24 hours.
Damn.
I don't think it's a good idea to exceed the dose.
I can't afford to wait.
You just popped 3? More or less. Alright.
I should disinfect his cuts.
Grab that roll of tissue. We're gonna need some tissue. I feel. That was some hand sanitizer or something. That's what I use, bro. Hand sanitizer. It worked. It's the same thing, right?
I'm gonna disinfect your wound. This might hurt a little.
Kills 99.999% of germs.
Sorry. Are you okay? Sorry. I'll try to be more
Bring a
careful.
man up. Apply pressure. This nigga bitch. This nigga trying to crack. Freak ass. I don't know.
There. At least it won't get infected.
Thanks.
I wouldn't move around for a few days if I were you.
I'm gonna take a shower.
All right. Let me help you.
She's trying to get a free stay. She already got her own place though.
I'll wait here until you come out. Let me know if you need anything.
She's trying to get her motel thing, her motel boo thing. Oh, she's staring in the back. She's trying to get a little. Hell yeah. I'm not stare at that dude.
Talk to me. That way I'll know if you pass out.
What's your name?
Madison.
Are you staying in the hotel?
Oh, I'm robbing this nigga's pockets.
No, I live in town. I suffer from chronic insomnia. I seem to only be able to sleep in motels. Don't ask me why. Whenever I get too exhausted, I come and spend a night here.
I'm just passing through.
Shit, nigga, right.
And what else do you do, Madison?
You know.
Apart from fixing up strangers.
I'm a photographer. I take pictures of furniture for fashionable design magazines. And you?
I'm an architect.
Shit, nigga was an architect. Oh, he coming. Yeah, go sit down, 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 go sit down. Sit down. I ain't doing nothing.
Thanks for staying. I feel a lot better now.
All right.
Okay. I better get going then.
Why are you trying to get body slammed into
By the way,
the frame?
You never told me your name.
You don't even know this dude, bro.
Be careful, Ethan.
Like, Ethan, I mean, I'll give you some props. 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 You did that. All right, bro. Open this up. Is that 4 different locations? Are you prepared to suffer to save your son? The old power plant of an Embarco. What did it say, bro? Embarco Street. Why not just take all of them and look at every single load? Don't that make more sense? Now you ain't got no car unless you walk there. Wednesday, 426. My dude Connor and Cotton Ball right here, dude. He do look like somebody I know though.
Was that the first time?
Sorry?
First time you killed somebody?
Clearly ain't your first.
It always does something to you the first time. Then you get used to it.
Oh no, he just defense. I mean, that's sincere.
I'm not sure I want to get used to it. That's him.
Oh, he finna get shot too. Yup. Who this? Mike Tyson?
Miroslav Porta?
Yeah?
Lieutenant Carter Blake, I'd like to ask you some questions.
Is that Kurt Angle? Okay.
Don't just stand there, he's gonna get away!
I got him. I got him. Oh, quick time. Quick time chase.
Hey man, watch it, dude!
I'll go for that. I'm good. I'm good for it. Watch, I'm locked. D. I'm at that S. I'm gonna mess that up too. Perfect though. Perfect. Yep. On you, sir. E.
Hey, watch it.
Okay, my fault. Come here. S. W. D. S. Yep. I don't know how I did that. Oh my. Shit lagging. Jump. Right. Give me left. W.
Hey man, watch it!
I told you up. Go up. Oh my god. Up. On him. I'm on him. Or he ain't going nowhere.
Hey man, what's your problem?
Oh, E. Q. E. Q. E. Q. Perfect. S. W. Oh my god. What? Man, get this chicken off me. Come on, dude. See, Jaden, this is why you need a gun. I mean, you do have a gun. Shoot this dude. Whip it out. There you go. Oh, yay. Oh, yay.
Come on. Show your ugly bastard face.
Oh, shit. You finna get dropped.
Shit! Where'd he go? I can't see anything here. Damn place is freezing. My hands are numb.
Where you at? Oh, that scared me. Nice. That got me. Golly. Dip. Oh, nice. Oh, I messed up. Let me lock. E. Yep. W. You're not beating me in mash. D. Oh, D. Not beating me in mash. Oh, S. Nice. Up. Stupid. Nice. Nice, Jaden. Nice. Bro, it took you forever, dude. All he did was pour coffee on you.
Looks like we got our origami killer.
Hey, right. That's all that happened, bro. You just got coffee thrown at you. And then now you disabled. God, get out of here, dude. Oh, bro, I forgot to say. We reached 1K. I appreciate y'all. Every single one of y'all. I might have to put this. Damn. Forget it, bro. I appreciate you though. Bro. I messed it up, bro. I completely forgot I reached 1K, bro. Thank you, y'all. Thank you. Makes me happy, bro. I mean, it makes me real proud. It makes me real proud. Who's that on the front page? Childish Gambino? Do I even need that right now? Oh, it sounds like it. What was that, bro? Is this Motorola? That needs to be tripping. Oh, no, that's a bit of scotch. Bit of brownies. Bit of browns. Get your little joint. Alright, that's all. That's all you need. That's all you need, sir. Why are we just checking out what you got? I don't care. Stand up. Thank you. I don't care what you got.
All the newspapers are talking about Sean Mars, the kid who disappeared.
What you gotta say about it?
I've seen the parents of all the victims. And all I've come up with is his telephone and a box of origami figures. Can't breathe with this goddamn humidity. Hope it stops raining soon. I needed the rest. I haven't been sleeping well since the murder started up again.
I feel it, bro. For me, it's a lot. It's a lot to take in. What we got in here? What is that? The apple juice? Look like it, bro. You got Uggets in there too. Okay. Okay. What am I doing, dude? Alright, am I going to bed or am I gonna take a shower? Get something to eat? Like, I'm just checking out the crib at this point. Alright, let's go to his bedroom or something. That's probably where I gotta go. Who is that? Is that me? I thought that dude finna stand out. I was like, this nigga's not Batman. Oh, I just had to kill time. I'm coming. Who is that at my door this late, this early in the morning? I mean, this late at night. Damn, where's the front door at?
You
Oh.
said I could contact you if I remembered anything.
My shorty.
Can I come in?
Of course.
Sure.
I mean, I ain't clean up, but it's already, it should be clean.
Let me
Coat.
take your coat.
You want something to drink?
You want a drink?
Yes, glass of water, please.
Take a seat, I'll get it.
I got you. We got all types of water. We got Fiji. We got Dasani. Nigga, get the water. We got Aquafina, Fiji, Tulupe, Dish. I mean, tap. I was about to say we got that fridge water. I mean, technically you can get like fridge water, just like get ice cubes and shit, just like unfreeze it. Lucky.
Thanks.
No problem, no problem.
I just remembered something. Maybe it's not important, but a letter arrived in the mail the morning Johnny disappeared.
A letter? What kind of a letter?
It was addressed to Johnny's father. I don't know what was inside it, but he read it and then he left. That's the last time I saw him.
And you think there's a connection between that letter and Johnny's death, is that it? You remember anything else about the letter?
Well, I don't know why, but I kept the envelope.
Appreciate it. Alan Winter.
It was mailed in the Carnaby district. The day before Johnny disappeared. Nothing particular. Except the address.
The address?
It was typed with an old typewriter. Could be a lead, you never know. Well, thanks for your help, Lauren. I'll let you know if it leads to anything.
Wait, I can't just sit around and do nothing while you're out there looking for the man who killed my son. Ever since you came around, I've been thinking, and I want to come with you. Help you in your investigation.
Trying to help me. So shit. I guess
The answer is no.
If you won't let me help you, I'm keeping the envelope. It's all or nothing.
it's dangerous.
Listen, an investigation like this
It's dangerous.
and I don't have time to play the bodyguard.
How many clues have you got, Mr. Shelby? This envelope.
Uh.
Maybe your only link to the killer. I understand.
Fucking on my
Sorry
more.
for wasting your time, Mr. Shelby.
Wait.
Hold on, bro. I know this is off topic, but I don't look good, bro. Nigga, you look dumb. Okay, okay, bro.
You're really something special, Lauren. I'll give you that.
I'm just a mother. A mother who wants to find out who killed her son. Are we partners?
Alright. Line it up, line it up.
We're partners.
Okay. You want one too? Line it up, line it up. There you go. I'm finna just start, that's my new thing. I'm finna start dabbing y'all up whenever something cool can happen, bro. Like, I'm gonna just start dabbing y'all up, bro. Like, you seen Ethan body that dude? Oh, that one was tough. Yeah, that one was tough. Easy, I like that, bro. Finna just start doing that now. That's my new thing. Oh, I don't want to play as this dude, bro. My glasses broken shit. Do not ask how. I don't even know how it broke. It just did, bro.
Maybe you better stay in the car.
We're partners, remember? Wherever you go, I go.
I'm playing something tight in the back. What was that? That dude's gonna let you go without you even showing anything.
What are we doing
What was that movement?
We come to see Gordy Kramer.
Kramer? The bigwig tycoon from Kramer Construction?
No, his son.
Do you think maybe he's the origami killer?
For now, I just have a few questions that need answered. Security guard earned his payoff. Seems there really is a party going on tonight. Security all over the place. I would say Gordy's just a little bit paranoid.
All right.
What a joint! Kramer must be loaded. What'd you think he paid for all this shiny crap?
We'll discuss Kramer's decor another time.
Are we gonna
Hold
be
on.
here long? This place gives me the creeps.
Nigga,
I'm gonna
move.
go find Gordy Kramer. You stay here till I come back. Okay?
Okay. Just let me know if you need me.
Damn.
Booze, babes, and coke. Gordy Kramer seems to be quite the party animal.
Hold on, you see my dude in the back getting some? It's my dude. Let me talk to you, bro. I don't want no whiskey. Get out my face.
Well, I'm here. Might as well have a drink.
Hell no, we on the job.
I don't know why they have that goddamn music so loud.
Cause it's a
I
party.
hear myself thinking here.
Too.
Hey, good-looking girl. Keep your mind on the job, Scotty.
Mine? See what I'm saying?
Okay, gotta find Gordy Kramer. I'm a private detective. I'd like to speak to Gordy Kramer.
Gordy hasn't seen anyone. Beat it.
Nigga, you was not scary.
Look, you just tell him that Scott Shelby wants to speak to him. Okay?
You're starting to piss me off, man. Now beat it before I get angry.
Nigga, bitch.
I
Alright.
want to see Gordy Kramer. I'm gonna have to go about it some other way. Hi, I'm Scott. Music's a little loud, isn't it?
Nigga, why are you trying to... He trying to have a good time. Look at him. Did you see that girl looking at him too? Oh, she thought that was swagger. She thought that was swagger. She thought that was swag. What is going on? That girl, she thought that was swagger. He thought them moves were nice.
Whoa. You see that guy over there? Do you know what he said about you?
What'd he say?
Called you a bitch.
The bastard! Ah, sort him out!
Go ahead, get him, Eminem.
You motherfucker!
Oh, distraction.
Were you talking about my mother, you big monkey in a cheap suit?
Distraction.
Oh, you think you're a big man. I'm a bigger man.
Distraction.
No. Hey, hey, hey,
Hey,
hey.
Distraction.
What are you saying about my mother? Nah, you get violent with me, my little friend. And you know who I am?
Damn. Oh. Damn. I was about to say, yo, ain't nobody interested. Whoa. Don't nobody care about your party. My game, dude. But don't nobody care about your party, dude. Come on now.
Gordon
Bro.
must be up here somewhere. Shouldn't be too hard to find.
This nigga stargazing. Oh, I'm out here. He ain't in here.
Okay, gotta find Gordy Kramer.
Why am I outside, bruh? Gordy is not out here unless he getting blasted. He on the bong. Getting tips. Getting tips. Okay, hold on. We're gonna check this other section. Did I check this door? Nah, I didn't. Oh, y'all need a second?
Mr. Kramer?
Shh, this is the best part.
What the fuck?
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. I'm investigating the case of the origami killer. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
This nigga think you a joke. He take it as a joke. Yo, what are you watching, bro?
I'd like to know exactly what happened to little Joseph Brown.
Beat it. You hear me? Get the hell out of here.
They ain't wanna be in there anyway, lame man.
What do you want?
Factual.
A witness saw little Joseph Brown get in the back of your limousine. That was the last time anybody ever saw him. Now, I know you've been arrested and interrogated until your father made a little phone call and the file was closed. I'd like to hear your version of the facts.
The kid was lost. I just offered to drive him home. The police arrived, I explained the misunderstanding, and I was released. End of story. Nothing to get excited about, right?
Okay, so you're a good Samaritan taking kids home who happen to get lost right next to your limousine? I'll be a nice guy and tell me something I can't believe.
Right, stop lying, bro. I would fade you in this wrong.
Well, I'm the origami killer. I get my victims into my car. I drown them in rainwater. Then I dump them on a wasteland with an origami figure in one hand and an orchid on their chest. I do that because I'm bored, Mr. Shelby.
You are not light yogging me, bro.
Creative and entertaining way of having fun. Is that good enough for you? Or do you want more?
You are not light.
This interview is over.
Not light yogging me, bro.
Get rid of this clown!
I thought he was light yogging me. Stop it. Get off me. This. Stupid. Up. Nice. Nice. Oh. Damn, D. Up this. E. Nice. A. D. Back. Nice. Chad. I mean, Scott.
It's a dangerous game you're playing, Kramer.
Do you know who my father is?
I don't care.
He only has to lift one finger and you won't wake up tomorrow morning. You're the one that should be afraid, Mr. Shelby. Not me.
I don't care. I should have piped and blasted him in his face. This weak security. What would they do then, bro? This nigga. What? Tough guy. All right, this is gonna be the end of episode 5 of Heavy Rain. Like I said in the literally the middle part, I do appreciate every single one of y'all. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. On to next, we're going to 2. We're going to 2. Actually, no, let's go. Right, ain't no. Nah, we won't stop. Actually, nah, we right here. We might as well. This is little. I was gonna end it. I was like, nah. We might as well keep going. Nah, we gonna end this right here. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. We might have to end this right here. Yeah. We say this for next. Save this for next. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and I really do appreciate every single one of y'all. Ever since from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate every single one of y'all. Y'all tough. A lot of game. Appreciate you, bro. I'll catch y'all later. Catch y'all later though. Peace.